Hey everyone, and welcome to Architect's World blog. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of kitchen remodels. Thinking of giving your kitchen a makeover? Whether you're a culinary whiz or just want a more inviting space for family meals, a kitchen remodel can be a fantastic investment. But before you grab the sledgehammer, there's some planning involved. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate your kitchen remodel with confidence. We'll not only explore popular trends, but also provide unique insights and practical advice to transform your dream kitchen into a reality. So, grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. What you really need to know before you remodel. We all love those home reno shows where a kitchen goes from drab to fab in 30 minutes. But in reality, kitchen remodels require planning. The first step? Understanding your needs. Ask yourself, how do you use your kitchen currently? What are your pain points? Is there not enough counter space? Do you crave a more social space for entertaining? Actionable tip: spend a week tracking your movements in the kitchen. Note areas that feel inefficient and jot down your frustrations. This will be gold when it comes to planning your layout. Budgeting for your dream kitchen. Kitchen remodels can vary significantly in cost. Research average rates in your area for labor, materials, and permits. Factor in the quality of materials you desire and don't forget to include a buffer for unexpected expenses. Pro tip: consider the return on investment, ROI, when budgeting. High-quality countertops and energy-efficient appliances can add value to your home when you eventually sell. Finding your kitchen's inspiration. Now that you understand your needs and budget, it's time to gather inspiration. Head to Pinterest, Instagram, or browse through design magazines. But look beyond aesthetics. Focus on functionality too. Notice clever storage solutions, innovative layouts, and features that resonate with your lifestyle. Unique insight. Don't be afraid to draw inspiration from unexpected sources. Architectural magazines, travel blogs, or even your favorite restaurant's kitchen layout can spark unique ideas. Crafting a kitchen that flows. The magic of a great kitchen lies in its functionality. Whether you have a tiny galley or a wide open space, a well-planned layout is essential. Here's where the classic kitchen work triangle comes in. Refrigerator, stove, and sink should be positioned close together to minimize wasted steps. But listen up, go beyond the basics. If you love to entertain, consider extra counter space for buffet-style serving. Bake often? Plan a designated baking zone with easy access to your mixer and ingredients. Here are some key considerations for optimal flow. Functionality. Prioritize the placement of essential elements for a smooth workflow. Storage. Maximize storage with stylish and functional cabinets, drawers, and a pantry. Explore innovative solutions like pull-out shelves and space-saving organizers. Traffic flow. Designate zones for cooking, cleaning, and prepping to avoid congestion. Allow ample space between appliances for comfortable movement. Lighting. Incorporate a thoughtful lighting plan that combines ambient, task, and accent lighting for a well-lit workspace with a warm atmosphere. Investing in quality. Materials that last. Your kitchen endures daily wear and tear. Invest in high-quality materials and finishes that will stand the test of time. Here are some popular options to consider. Countertops. Quartz, granite, or solid surface materials offer durability, stain resistance, and heat tolerance, perfect for busy kitchens. Flooring. Consider hardwood, tile, or luxury vinyl plank for their visual appeal and durability. Think about ease of maintenance, water resistance, and compatibility with underfloor heating if desired. Fixtures and hardware. Don't underestimate the impact of details. Choose high-quality faucets, sinks, cabinet pulls, and drawer knobs that complement your overall design and add a touch of personality. Timeless design for lasting style. Kitchen trends come and go, but incorporating timeless design elements ensures your kitchen remains stylish for years to come. Here are some tips. Neutral color palettes. Opt for white, gray, or beige for walls, cabinets, and countertops. This creates a versatile backdrop that can be easily updated with pops of color and trendy accessories. If you're ready to turn your dream kitchen into a reality, I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to Architect's World blog for more insightful content on home design and renovations. Thanks for joining me today.